I am from Gauras, Math Sahab. I am going to discuss one question that has been taken from chapter 3 Matrix and CRT 12 Mathematics. That question is question number 10, slide 3.1. Imply that the number of all possible matrices of order 3 cross 3 with each entry 0 to 1 each. Option A 27, option B 18, option C 81, option D 512. Now come out to solution here. Here you can see a matrix of order 3 cross 3 with each entry 0 to 1. We have to find what will be the number of all possible matrices. So here I shall write solution equal to a matrix of order 3 cross 3 consists of a matrix of order 3 cross 3 consists of 9 elements. Each element, here I shall write imply that each element will take either 0 or 1. A matrix of order 3 cross 3 consists of 9 elements. Each element will take either 0 or 1. Imply that each element will be placed in two edge. Here you can see either 0 or 1. This means that one element will take either 0 or 1. This means that one element will be placed in 2H. Then by multiplication theorem, multiplication principle, imply that nine places in bracket you can write elements can be held in 2 raised के power 9. 9 places. In the matrix of order 3 cross 3, there will be total 9 places. One place can be filled with digit 0 or 1. This means that one place will be filled with in 2h. Therefore, 9 places can be filled in 2 raised to the power 9. That will possible by multiplication theorem or principle. It will become equal to 2 raised to the power 9. You can do the operation 2 into 2 into 2. Right here in one bracket. In another bracket right here 2 into 2 into 2. In another bracket right here 2 into 2 into 2. It will become implied that 2 raised to the power 9. 2 raised to the power 9, it will become 2 to the 4 to the 8 into 2 to the 4 to the 8 into 2 to the 2 to the 8, imply that it will become 2 raised to the power 9 equal to 8, it is a 64 into 8 comes out to be 8 for the 32, remainder will be 3, and 8 is 6 the 48, 48 plus 3 comes out to 51. So you have got the answer. Answer implies that 512 will be correct answer. That's why, hence, the option D 512 is the correct answer. Hence the option D, this one. Hence the option D 512 is the correct answer. This is the complete solution of question number 10, exercise 3.1, chapter 3 matrix, NCERT 12 matrix. Okay, thanks.